Hey everyone, Shraddha here. I'm going to cover this comment. You can read it right here. Laika Constantino. Hi Laika. I'm going to cover this issue, how to send mail to WPS and what is the content of the mail to be sent to them. See, you need to use the same mail address that you used to sign into your WPS account. Suppose if you use your Gmail account to sign in on WPS account, suppose if I am using this account, it's like shraddhapandemusic@gmail.com. Okay, just get into compose. You can read it right here, and here just write officesupport@wps.com. okay, this is the then tab. Okay, subject, looking forward to get my refund, just put ASAP. Okay, then you can write hi team 1750. I am just saying INR, whatever amount, whatever currency is there, just put the same. Okay, has got deducted on, I'm just putting this assumed link, assumed date, sorry, 14th of April 2026. Okay, I do not need this subscription. It's of no use for me. It is of no use to me. This was an accidental purchase without my consent. Okay, please refund my money and cancel the subscription. See, in order to cancel the subscription, you can take steps. You need not to ask them to cancel your subscription, because sometimes they will be doing it and many times they won't do it. Okay, so maybe if you are getting a refund for this month, and in the next auto pay date, they'll just deduct the amount without your consent. They won't send any OTP, they won't ask for your approval, they'll just deduct it because you have already set it for auto pay. Okay, and now again you need to, for next month also, you need to get in touch with the team. You need to again do the same process. So it's good, or it's wise, if you cancel the subscription from your end, or confirm it from the team whether they have cancelled it or not. Okay, cancel the subscription. I will be grateful to your support, and if you want, you can also say this money is very important for me, I am a student, whatever things are there. You can just make a small story, and just don't start saying like this is very important for somebody is ill, so for fees or whatever. There are people who used to say like this. So it's minute amount, it's very small amount. We cannot come up with these kind of excuses that will sound lame. So it's good if you are just putting honest thing. Suppose if you just don't want that subscription, you just want your money, just keep it very clear, make it very clear, just put it right like the way it is. Okay, you don't need not to exaggerate things unnecessarily. Okay, so grateful, I will be grateful to your support. Okay, then you can say that looking forward to receiving my refund, best regards. Okay, regards, then you can just put your name. Okay, regards, and you can just put your name. Okay, name him. And also I'll suggest you one more thing. Put the screenshot, the date when they deduct the amount, just take the screenshot. Also you can take the screenshot of the transaction detail and just send it to them. Make sure whenever you are sharing transaction screenshot, just hide all important or sensitive details, hide all other transactions. If it's for WPS, you just need to show date and the amount that got deducted and then WPS. Okay, just put it like this, and yeah, that's it. So just keep on doing what is something that next you need to do. This mail, suppose if I'm hitting this, you can see top side after file attachment there is blue button. Okay, if I'll hit this, they'll receive this mail. Now for today I'm done. Tomorrow also I'll just come, we'll go to my sent mails, we'll copy this content. Even you can just copy it and keep it on your WhatsApp message or whatever that is easily accessible for you by tomorrow also. Okay, and then just copy and paste it on a daily basis for next 3 to 5 days. That just do this, and I'm very sure they'll reply for your they'll reply for your mails and they will refund your money. Okay, see, they do refund, just that you need to keep on asking for your refund on a daily basis. It's truly important to be consistent in order to send them mails, in order to ask them to refund your money. Keep on doing this for next 3 to 5 days, even if they're saying that we cannot do this doesn't meet our policy, this and that, whatever things are there. You just keep on sending the same mail again, copy and paste the same mail, send it to them. Okay, they will do it for sure, there is no doubt in it. For WPS, LinkedIn, Canva, Random Forest, there are other tools also. For all tools you can get your refund, just that you need to follow the process. You need to be consistent, you need to ping them on a daily basis, you need to make them feel your presence, you need to make them feel that you are struggling to get your refund, you are looking forward to get their support, and you will get it. Okay, I hope this would be helpful for you. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, hype, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know, I will be covering that topic too. So feel free to get in touch with me if you face any problem. And yeah, stay tuned. Bye, take care.